You know, the key thing about Pork Rind Appreciation Day is not just celebrating the great taste of pork rinds across America, but it's really talking about the great work we're doing with Coach Mike Dick and the Gridiron Greats Association. You know, for over 10 years, we've been working with Mike to help guys that played this game in an era that they didn't have big money. Now they've got health problems, concussive problems, and other things that are real challenges. And with Coach Dick's help, we help them with their medical, we help them with the prescriptions, we help them with living issues, and we really say thanks to the heroes of my childhood, the guys that played in the 50s and 60s and 70s that built this NFL into what it is today. And we're just so lucky to be affiliated this year with just the all-time great Jack Youngblood. Jack was one of the best players in Florida history. He was a tremendous Hall of Fame defensive end. He cares so much about the teammates that he had that did not have the luck he had with a post-career in acting and just having a great life. Some of these guys he knows personally have fallen on such hard times, and he's worked so hard with us this year to raise awareness and raise a bunch of money to help these guys. It's been one of our most successful years ever, and I think a lot of that's because of the great work that Jack's done.